Good morning, everybody. No DJ Blue from Team Blue Entertainment there. I know some of there again with that thing what they call my opinion. So don't mind the raggedy appearance, because sometimes people see raggedy and think you're stupid. You understand me? At some point, people see you very well put together and think you're smart. So today I want to speak about like giving my opinion on something else, yeah? Because I haven't been doing a lot of my opinions, because sometimes opinions is like exactly, and everyone have one. Understand me? I say, but I have been listening a lot of things from one day, and a long time now me I listen the same thing. Understand me? And it start bother me. It start create a little funny thing in my mind, you know. I say, oh, something alright, because we always, and I'm saying most of what I speak about is about Jamaica and base for my people. You understand? Jamaicans. Now, I saw this video yesterday, yeah? And when I was what it was this live, and I saw them speaking about something, right? And I left a comment there, and they were speaking about Jamaica, and Jamaica sell out the whole of Jamaica, and who them a fool and yo all kind of stuff. So I'm like, yeah, but you have to understand something, yeah. To sell something, you have to own something, you know. And these persons, one individual, you know what I mean, got up and shoot after me. Wicked. I mean, I said, but if you're somebody like you, you know, where understand or say you understand a lot, right? Now, why would you try even that itself without understand what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Why would you try that? Now, let me elaborate a little bit on that. Now, really look at it, right? What did Jamaica own? Yeah? From Jamaica, so them get independence, or them get, we are free, what you call it now, free-minded slaves, just the same. What have any Jamaican really own? Like, me not do no research, I want to go do the research and come back and tell me. Prove me wrong, because me not like read books. You know why me not like read books? Books are things that like the Bible. Forgive me, Christians, yeah? The Bible. Now, the Bible, in my opinion, at times, are not made up of facts, yeah? Bible is made up of fictional stuff, things where, where I don't even know if me use fiction a while ago in the right context. I mean, I hear that. No, it's like the things that in the Bible, if you really read it and look on it, remember them tell us if you obey your slave masters, you know. Yeah? Obey your slave masters. Me as a black man, yeah? I mean, I read the Bible, so if you obey my slave masters. What that said to me? Yeah? This don't make no sense. My slave masters, they murder the whole of my people, them. Yeah? My slave masters beat religion and Christianity in my people, them. Christianity was never a part of my generation. Yeah? It wasn't. Right? They murder, torture, and kill with this. And the same Bible we read, yeah? Which is a book written by someone, yeah? Told us to obey the slave masters. But I move along from that because we're not going on religion or politics too much. So when I made my comment and say, yo, how can you sell something that you don't own? The person literally attack me, you know, and say, yo, if you come over here, if you come over with seek, or some people like, basically I say, yo, some people chat and don't know nothing, I hear that. So then I say, yo, look on it. No, from day one, the land is the Queen's land, just the same, no matter what. Yeah? When they left, yeah, Who did they leave to control their assets? Who did they leave in place to control their assets? And them never just leave and go and it. So never, it's like at the time to wake up and see what go on and try to change it. Who did they leave in control? Because them never just turn over there. Them never just get up and say, yo, take on your stuff and cut. No. Them turn it over to someone. Now, people go and do a little bit of research about this and come back and talk me about it. You understand? Because if I'm wrong, I will admit that I'm wrong and I will apologize to a lot of people. You understand me? So do a little research and see who the land did leave to. Hit me back up in the comment section now, understand all of them something, alright? But let's move along quickly. Now when I hear the lack of even free thinking, because common sense hard to get nowadays, you know, yeah? Common sense are the most difficult thing to get nowadays. Yeah? We're in the point of life where the youths them is rebelling, yeah, because them grew up in a poverty, them grew up in all kind of struggles. Yeah, the system was set up for we, even my country and a lot of African countries, not to grow. Yeah, it was set up to send down the minds on the poor. Yeah, remember, you know, poor means you have nothing, nothing, and nothing. Right? In my opinion, that's what poor mean. Now, different from the people in Kingston or some cities where you know that it's not a country area where you know you can go take 2 bananas or thief 2 bananas or thief sake and go pick a breadfruit and roast it. Jamaica is not a poor country. Jamaica is only, and not for African countries, Africa is not a poor country. Remember, Europe, America, and all these people live off Africa. There's a lot of countries in Africa paying over money every year, billions of dollars, to Europe. So how can a poor country pay $1 billion to Europe? Now, everybody in my country of Jamaica, yeah, take a look. Just look around you, yeah. Now, who owns 90% or 110% of the things that are the real money movers in the country? Who owns it? Look on it. Do a research. Check that out. You understand me? Who owns it? A lot of people going to come here, them sell it out to who own this, but who did own it before? And who did own it before that? Check the Jamaican. Now, I want to touch on this point before I go. This is the last point. Yeah? Now, what does it take for you to be a Jamaican? Tell me that. What it take for you to be a Jamaican? To just come to Jamaica and live there and have some kids and just grab a name Jamaican, right? And say you're Jamaican. For some white man or some white woman or some Japanese or some Chinese or whatever you want to call it. Yeah? To just live there for a while and call themselves a Jamaican. And because them say them as a Jamaican, yeah? You see the trick? Because they say them as a Jamaican now, yeah? Them dead and them breed to a black woman and them walk out and, you know, chilling at the thing and get your mind around the idea. Say them a Jamaican, right? Them own certain stuff, right? And then they say, yeah man, Jamaica own it, Jamaica. No bro, Jamaica don't own it. Food for thought. When you say South Africa, what comes to your mind? Africans, right? In the South, yeah? Right? But you know that South Africa one of the racist countries in the world. And when I say that you're going to work, you're going to say, how South Africa racist? Because there's a lot of white people there. And when I'm saying it, I don't go in that race and them stuff, yeah? That's not my opinion. And that's not my point, yeah? But there's a lot of white South Africans there. How? But they're South Africans. And them used to own almost everything just the same. But them still own everything because basically all the politics, I'm not going to go there, but I'm showing you the thing. how can you own something or sell, how can you sell something that you never did own? Wise up and stop chat foolishness on some of you. Yeah? And that make we not learn all now. Stop chat foolishness. Wise up. You never did own it, so you can't sell it. You as a Jamaican get $2 million and go try own one of the things that you say and see how difficult it's going to be for you own it. Because the thing is, you're not supposed to own it because you're not supposed to come out of the poverty level. When one person come out, then you're going to bring somebody else. The level start. So they try as much not to make you come out. All of the successful people in Jamaica, or some of the people, the ghetto people that make money, how they make their money. Yeah? They have to take music feed, them take selling feed or vendor feed, and you have a small percentage of ghetto youth will really get a chance. And you have to give open. You have to give hope. So food for thought. But do a little research and prove me wrong. Because I don't like read book. All the book I read, a book will tell me how to make something, how to repair something. Yeah? So I know say, yo, in this book, in my opinion, it's going to be more than likely facts. If you tell me how to make and how to fix anything, then you have to know what you're talking about. But if it's a novel, or any other book where you come off of your opinion and you can twist it to mean what you want to mean, it's not a book for me. So I stay away from books. Think about it.